yeah, you and your little box. While you're scrolling your soul away, they're gambling on your kid's next meal. Wake the fuck up! And die! They kill the light while you ride through the night, feeding your kid with noise and a fight. PBS dies, but the prophet lives on. They bet on hunger with a tailored baton. Wall Street wolves in Armani skin, draining the cupboards from deep within. Your child cries proud while the bosses grin, and you still march? Fuck that sin! While mothers climb their hope to dust. No PBS, no learning light, just TikTok, junk, and algorithm blight. You sign your name on deadly deals while the kids lose time and meals. They kill the signal, burn the schools, and we just sit, not in our rules. You fight for borders, but never for the kids inside them. You say freedom, we say bullshit. They play kings and towers, steal books from our schools. We ain't your pawns, we break your rules. You sell our air, you sell our land, but we ride hard with calloused hands. They cut the shows, they drain the shelves. They think we forgot, but we sharpened our voice. We tuned the engines, and now we ride.